Hi guys, this is Banashri and welcome to my channel Bowtie and Lipsticks. So I have got all these products from Agaro. Agaro has really been very kind and sent me these products for review. I have been using the products from quite some time now and the products are really very good. So let's get started. We'll unbox the products one by one. So here is the first product, Agaro Female Body Groomer. Let me show this to you. So here is the trimmer that we have got, and you can see they have got an 18 karat rose gold over here on the blade, and it is really very smooth and easy to use, no pain at all, and removes your hair very easily. So this product is for 1099. This is the current deal that they are running, or else you will get this product for 1995. So grab their deal right now. So the second product is this Agaro Sonic Kids electric toothbrush. This is really very beautiful. I'll just show you. So as you can see, this is so attractive. Here is it. Now you can see this is so attractive. The color and all, this attracts the kids a lot. So let me just tell you what is the price of this. So this baby brush is for 899. Then our third product is this Agaro Sonic electric toothbrush for adults. And this is just amazing, as you all can see here. So let me see how it is. The packaging over here is really cool and so impressive. Wow, this is just amazing. Let's see how does this brush work. So they have 5 modes over here, as you can see. Let me tell you what is the price of this brush. It's for 1499. Now our fourth product over here is this Agaro hair curler. Let me show you this. So all those who have straight hair, they actually want curls. So this is really nice. I have been using this for quite some time now, and I have seen it really gives you a voluminous, lovely curls. So here you can see very light in weight and easy to use as well. So the price of this hair curler is, they have an amazing deal for this. It is for just 650 rupees, the current deal price, or else you will get it for 995. So here is our next product, the Agaro waterproof Bluetooth speaker. So we have been using this for about it's been few years that we have been using this. And I should tell you, it's just amazing. The quality of the sound is great. So now here comes our next product. Here is the Agaro body massager. Let me just show this to you. Wow, this is so cute. It is so handy and small, not at all heavy, so you can actually use it by yourself. You don't require anyone's help. And as you can see, they have got a cloth material over here which will give your skin a better feel. And it comes with let me see. Okay, it comes with 2 more attachments. So total it has got 3 attachments. Oh yes, I forgot to tell you the price of the speaker. It is for 2799, and the price of this body massager, the small one, that one is 749. That's a great deal running. You all should actually try this out. I've been using this big massager also, and it really gives me a relief. So the small one you should try, because it is just for 749, or else their price is 1499. So now let me tell you about this big hand massager. So this is called the hammer massager. Let me just unbox this. That's a huge one. So here is the huge massager, which comes with 5 attachments. Okay. So here is this huge one. This is specially used when you have lower back pain and all. So this you don't require anyone's help and you can actually do it by yourself. So this is a good one, and it also has some levels also where you can change the pressure of the vibration, and it comes with more like total they have 5 attachments. So here are the attachments, and the price of this is, let me just check that, is 1199. That's the deal price that is currently running, and their actual price is 2295. And here is the next product, that is Agaro hand blender and chopper. So just because I love cooking, this has been of a great help to me. I'll quickly show you what is inside this. So the hand blender comes with 3 attachments. Here is the arm, then they have the whisker, and the main main blender is here, and they have a BPA free jar, and this is the main chopper. So very beautiful looking, sleek. And here is our next product. This is Agaro professional hair dryer. I have used the other hair dryer and that is also really nice. And now this professional one, let's see. Oh, that's a huge one. So here is the professional hair dryer. You can see the options that they have here. They have some cool airs also for our hair, and it has come with 2 attachments. Here is the big nozzle, and here is the normal one that we usually use. Thank you Agaro for sending all of these products and supporting my channel. Hope you guys like this lovely haul of Agaro products. So guys, thumbs if you like my video and subscribe if you love my video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye bye.